7 amazing things you can do with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is enhancing the way we work and create with the integration of artificial intelligence capabilities. It is thus an excellent productivity instrument that offers extended functionality in helping with several complex queries and streamlining tasks. Here are the 7 things that you can try using ChatGPT. Generate graphs and charts. You can also use ChatGPT if you need to do some data visualization or if you're having a hard time making graphs and charts. Just go to ChatGPT, ask for a graph or chart to be generated based on some given data. You might even add more classes to the design to enhance engagement. Web search. Though generally limited in web searching, ChatGPT might be very helpful in getting a single line of data or information. At times, just use keywords like search the web or go online followed by a query. Improve your writing skills. ChatGPT is a great editor, improves writing skills, corrects grammar, and suggests improvements. It even improves the tone to suit different kinds of audiences. Copy-paste your text and ask ChatGPT to work its magic. Translate languages. ChatGPT translates languages in real time to help users communicate across linguistic barriers. You can use it to improve your language skills or translate text from images, help with math problems. ChatGPT will be able to help from simple mathematical problems to complex calculation procedures. It will even provide you with step-by-step directions and help you understand the underlying concepts. Analyze video. It can analyze videos frame by frame, give a summary, extract key points, and generate a transcript. It's even possible to identify key moments within the clip. Create a recipe from photo. ChatGPT image analysis features can be of great help in making a recipe from a photo of some ingredients. Just upload the image and ask ChatGPT to give you a recipe that includes these ingredients.